Peppermint is hanging in Brantley's underwears. Flying around in Brantley's underwear. He's got them all on the fan. Wow. Y'all, I found the peppermint bark ice cream. So I'm so excited to try it. We're going to open it up and give it a taste. Here is what it looks like. Brantley already got some, said he didn't like it. So my turn. Let's try it out and see. It's got, it's so cold and refreshing tasting. But it's mint ice cream with chunks of dark chocolate and white chocolate with crushed peppermint
I ate a piece.
Candy.
I ate a piece in my tummy.
You like it? Hey guys, we got some cards in the mail. We wanted to show y'all. So this one is to Brantley and it's from Miss Katina. She got Brantley a Christmas card and it says, "Ho, ho, ho. Santa is the perfect one to bring this wish for Christmas fun, plus favorite treats and presents too, all for an extra special you. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays, Brantley. I love you. You're also a sweet little boy. Excuse my handwriting. Love, Katina." Your handwriting is just fine, Miss Katina. That is such a cute little card. We get to hang up on our little card holder.
It's
Tell her
already
thank
full.
you. We're putting them on the back and stuff.
Oh, thank you,
Katina.
Katina.
And she sent one for me too.
Oh,
You got one. Wishing you, hold on, a Merry Christmas. That is super cute. Yours is too. I love yours. Okay, it says, let me put it down that way they can see us. Have a tinsel draping, ornament hanging, tree lighting, stocking stuffing, hall decking, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Happy holidays, love. You are so sweet and kind. Love always, Katina. Thank you so much, Katina. Look how cute this little card is. Can y'all see it with a little reindeer on there? And then this is the one that she sent Brantley with the Santa Claus on there. Super cute. Thank you so, so much. We really appreciate it. Now this one is from Miss Karen. All right. From Miss Karen. And it is so pretty. Uh-oh. Here we go. Here we go. I'm dropping stuff out of there. She sent you some stickers.
A shark?
She sent you some stickers. Okay. Merry Christmas, Tabitha, Robert, and Brantley, and Georgia. Remembering you with special joy and wishing you a holiday season to remember. Very much enjoy all of your videos. You have the sweetest family. Hope you have a wonderful Christmas and New Year. Karen and Chad, thank y'all so much for the beautiful Christmas card. We absolutely love it. Yes. Yes. Sent you those little stickers.
What? Those are my stickers.
Oh, these are on there.
Those are my stickers.
Okay. We're going to hang those up. And then this one is from Richard.
This is not a sticker. This is not a sticker.
I don't know how to say your last name. I'm sorry. I'm bad with names. I'm so bad with names.
This is not even a sticker.
It says color me. It says color me. So you got to color it. Well, hold on. We'll do it in a minute. He's going to do it now. Oh, look how cute.
I'll see.
Love it. Home for the holidays. May beautiful moments and happy memories surround you with joy this Christmas. Love your channel. I look forward to your daily videos. Brantley keeps me laughing, dancing, and doing his cute things. Wishing you the best 2019. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. This is from, is it Melissa?
Thank you,
I just don't know how to say your last name. I am so sorry.
Thank you, Melissa.
Thank you so much. I love it. I love all the cards. But y'all know that little Christmas tree and the red trucks and stuff.
That is
so
so cute.
Yeah.
Hey, you don't get in my face.
Hey. And we got one from Pink Fairy. Look how cute that one is. With the little,
That is fixing to make me cry.
Why? Warm Christmas wishes. Hope this Christmas is the sweetest ever. Love, Tim, Crystal, and Haley.
Haley Bronson.
Matt and Mimi. I know that's the dog. Is the dog's name Matt?
No, somebody else is named Matt.
No, it's Mimi and...
Matt.
I hope I'm saying that right.
Man.
So cute. Thank y'all so much for the Christmas cards. We absolutely love them. Fixing to hang them up on my Christmas tree. I mean, my Christmas card holder. And,
not Christmas tree.
No, not my Christmas tree. And then I'm going to, get out some Christmas cards to you guys that sent me some this week. I've been slacking on it because I've been so busy. So there's a few others that I have to send. But we'll get them out. So thank y'all so much for the Christmas cards. It made my day going up that P.O. box and seeing all them cards in there. I was like, yay, we got some. So thank y'all so much. We really appreciate it. Love you guys. Peppermint and his friend are hanging out in the windowsill on the blinds. We're in the car wash. Alright, y'all, I'm getting ready to make some vegetable soup right here in my Instant Pot. We're fixing to cut it on, saute up some hamburger meat and some sausage. That kind of sausage, like the smoked sausage. Got those jars ready, still got more to make. Alright, so we're going to get this hamburger meat going and get us some vegetable soup going, and I'm going to make some cornbread as well. What you got? And I also got some Chex Mix stuff, cereal, the rice and the corn, to make some Chex Mix sometime this week. They were giving away the free packets. They were giving away the free packets for the Chex Mix seasoning, but I guess I dropped it or something because I had it when we were at the register, but I don't have it now, so I don't know what happened to it. But that's all right. I'll get it figured out. Because I know one, I'm probably going to make either the regular seasoned one, which you can make with the seasonings you already have, like the onion powder and Worcestershire sauce and all that stuff. But then I'll probably make a white chocolate one as well. I'll try to set y'all down if I can. Let y'all falling. We'll see. And get... Please don't fall. Okay. So, I just don't like having it like that because then you can't see me. Let's see if we can do it this way. Sorry, y'all. I should have been a little bit more prepared. There we go. Okay. So, I'm going to saute up hamburger meat. For our vegetable soup. And then I got Brantley some little mini corn dogs in the oven. Because, you know, I got one of those picky eaters and I want nothing good to eat. Let's see. So, I got that. I still got to do more jars, and those are just orders that's got to go out. And then I've got to make this week I've got to make, Robert wants a pecan pie and a pan of banana pudding to take to work for their Christmas thing. And then I had another lady order a red velvet cake for their Christmas party. And then another lady ordered a chocolate cake for Christmas for her family. And then, of course, you know, I'll be making the stuff for our Christmas Day dinner, which we got our ham, we got our turkey. We just got a small turkey breast. We have like a oilless like fryer outside. It's called infrared, I think is what it's called. And it tastes like everything's deep fried, but it's really not. And it's so good. So we're gonna do our ham and the turkey breast for Christmas in that. And then I'll do my sides inside, which I think we're going to do squash casserole, broccoli casserole, some macaroni and cheese, some type of rolls or biscuits. I was going to do my sugar cookie dough for, you know, decorate the sugar cookies like we do every year for Santa Claus. But this year, instead of doing, I can still give my sugar cookie recipe if anybody wants it. But this year, instead of doing the sugar cookies, we're just going to do homemade chewy chocolate chip cookies, which of course I'll show y'all that. Excuse me. I just figured it would be easier instead of having to try to make the royal icing for the sugar cookies and all of that stuff. Because so much going on, because we'll figure out what we're going to eat for Christmas Eve, and then we always do like maybe finger foods or something, and watch our Christmas movies and have our snacks. And Brantley has to put out his reindeer food and stuff for the reindeer, and yeah, all that. So I was like, we're not going to fool with the sugar cookies, decorating them this year, because it takes a lot to make the royal icing, especially if you want a lot of different colors. And I was like, I just don't even want to fool with it this year, even though it's fun and it's pretty. But we're going to be doing other stuff, so we really don't need to make that. We'll just do the yummy chewy chocolate chip cookies, and that'll be just fine. So guys, I'm going to finish getting this made, and I will show it to you when I start adding everything into it. I'll bring you back and show you what it's looking like. Alright, so I've got my sausage cut up, and I'm just going to brown it. While I've got my hamburger meat here drained right here. So we're going to brown up this sausage real quick. I mean, it's already cooked. I just like to throw it in there and kind of brown up the edges around it. Get us some good old flavor. Flavor. Alright, so I just have, you can use frozen or canned. I just have 2 of these mixed vegetable cans, and then another can of diced potatoes. You see that? Yeah. And a can of beef broth, and then a big old can of tomato juice. Add it all. And that is it. You just let it cook so everything heats up and the flavors get all good together. And then I'm gonna make some I'll make a thing of cornbread to go with it. Hi. Yep. That's what we doing. That's what we doing. I gotta get my can opener and open up my can. What are y'all having for lunch, dinner today? Let me know. I know Brantley's gonna want some spaghetti, so I gotta make that this week. And I got the ravioli stuff that I bought last week. They're gonna make this week too. I'm gonna get these open and I'll bring y'all back. Okay. I'm back. Okay, so now we got our sausages all browned up. Now I'm gonna take the hamburger meat. I'm gonna get it back in. Move this. Move that on over. Now we're gonna add our vegetables that I opened and drained. Another. Yummy. Yummy, yummy. Mix all that together. I'll bring y'all over here in just a second and show you. See that? Now I'm going to add some beef broth and vegetable or tomato juice. Just give that all a mix in. Just pack it all in there. And if you want your stuff to be like thicker, your tomato juice, you don't have to add that beef broth, but I like putting some in there sometimes. And then that is it. That's gonna be our soup. We're gonna put that on, let it start getting all hot and good, bubbly. And I'm gonna make some cornbread. And then that's gonna be what's for dinner tonight, guys. Hope you're having a great Sunday. All right, y'all, there is my vegetable soup. All ready. And there is the cornbread, all ready. Yum. Brantley's up there playing with the goat. What are you doing? Them goats think you crazy. Hey guys, so I hope y'all enjoyed this video. We went by my aunt and uncle's house and he does the music with the lights and everything, so I'm gonna add that clip right here after this. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a great night, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.